The most important tip for homeowner maintenance on your HVAC system is keeping a clean filter. To check the filter, the first thing you want to do is turn off the switch for the power to the unit. Once we've done that, the filter access panel is right here alongside the furnace. We just pull that out, set the cover to the side, slide the furnace filter out. Notice the direction of the arrow on the filter. Almost all your filters will have an arrow on it. That is the direction of the airflow, and we always want that pointing at the furnace. Once we remove the furnace, we can inspect the filter. This should be done at least every 3 months. Once we get the new filter, we slide it back in, insert this on the bottom hinge, lift the panel, and we're good to go. Remember, always go back and turn the power switch back on so you don't have an unnecessary warranty call.